Want to take your desserts from simple to stunning? In today's quick tip, I will show you how to make perfect chocolate curls at home, plus share a couple of bonus chocolate tips you will love. First, start with a good quality chocolate bar. Make sure it's well chilled, but not rock solid. If the chocolate is too warm, it will crumble instead of curling. About 15 to 20 minutes in the fridge usually does the trick. Next, take a potato peeler or a vegetable peeler. Hold it firmly against the edge of the chocolate bar and gently shave along the surface. You will notice delicate curls forming right away, perfect for decorating cakes, cupcakes, or even hot chocolate. Here is another tip. If your melted chocolate ever becomes too dry or grainy, simply stir in a small piece of butter. This instantly improves the texture and gives it a silky finish. And if your chocolate is too firm and the curls break, let the bar sit at room temperature for a minute or two. Slightly softer chocolate is easier to curl smoothly, and that is it. With just a potato peeler and a chilled chocolate bar, you can create professional-looking chocolate curls right at home. Like this video and subscribe for more quick cooking and household tips. And happy decorating!